The Night Circus, Erin Morgenstern, a magical tale unfolds where love and destiny intertwine in a circus. You will not believe what we are about to reveal right now. This is one of the most searched and most misunderstood topics out there, and we are breaking it down step by step so you never have to worry about it again. The Night Circus is a mesmerizing journey set in a fantastical world where a mysterious circus serves as the backdrop for a captivating competition between two young illusionists, Celia and Marco. Bound by a contest orchestrated by their mentors, they must use their magical abilities to outperform each other, yet neither knows the true nature of the challenge nor the devastating consequences that await them. The story is woven intricately through various timelines, crafting a rich tapestry of enchantment and mystery. The circus, Les Cirque des Rêves, is unlike any other. It appears without warning and offers visitors breathtaking spectacles and illusions that defy the boundaries of reality. Open only at night, it becomes a canvas for Marco and Celia to display their magical prowess, each creating wondrous stunts and experiences to outshine the other. As the circus travels the world, it captivates audiences while remaining a secretive and enigmatic entity. Amidst the enchanting setting, a deep and unexpected romance blooms between the two protagonists. Despite the fierce rivalry imposed upon them, Celia and Marco find themselves drawn to one another, their connection transcending the constraints of their competition. This burgeoning love adds layers of complexity to their ordeal, intertwining their fates and challenging the very nature of the contest they are trapped in. One transformative insight from the book is the exploration of the power and consequences of magic. The novel delves into how magic can be both a gift and a burden, shaping destinies and altering lives. It highlights the sacrifices demanded by such power and the moral dilemmas faced by those who wield it. Another impactful theme is the notion of choice versus destiny. The characters grapple with the paths laid out for them, questioning the extent of their autonomy in a world governed by mystical rules. Their journey invites readers to reflect on the balance between fate and free will in their own lives. The novel also celebrates the beauty of imagination and the role of storytelling in shaping reality. The circus serves as a metaphor for the endless possibilities of the human mind, suggesting that reality is only limited by one's imagination. This theme resonates with the reader, inspiring a sense of wonder and creativity. Among the most memorable moments in the book is the description of the circus itself. Morgenstern's vivid portrayal of the black and white tents, each housing a unique and magical experience, paints an enchanting picture that lingers in the reader's mind. The intricate details and the sense of wonder evoke a childlike fascination, drawing readers deeper into its spellbinding world. Erin Morgenstern, the author, is a writer and multimedia artist known for her imaginative storytelling and richly descriptive prose. With a background in theatre and visual arts, Morgenstern infuses her work with a vivid sense of atmosphere and a talent for creating immersive settings. The Night Circus, her debut novel, has garnered widespread acclaim for its originality and enchanting narrative. The book's relevance today is underscored by its exploration of timeless themes such as love, sacrifice, and the search for identity. In a world where the lines between reality and illusion often blur, the Night Circus reminds us of the magic inherent in everyday life and the transformative power of love and creativity. It encourages readers to embrace their dreams and the endless possibilities they hold. An actionable takeaway from the night circus is to cultivate the magic within your own world. Embrace creativity and imagination in your daily life, allowing yourself to dream beyond the confines of reality. Remember that love can be a guiding force, transforming challenges into opportunities and imbuing life with meaning and wonder. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.